Welcome back, guys. So the first tool we want to explore is Canva AI. What can we use Canva AI for? So you can see what you can do with Canva AI. You can design with it, you can write with it, you can code with it, you can generate image with it, you can design with it. So we can write with it and we can do all these things with it, as you could see from here. Things you could do with it: design, write, code, image, design. So let's say this for you can design, you can write, you can code, and you can generate image with this Canva AI. So the first thing we want to do now is to see how Canva AI could help us. So let's write first. So I'm going to start with the writing, and here you see it says write a blog post about caring for house plants. So let's see a sample of what it could do. So when you click on caring for house plant tips and tricks, so it gives you a full writing here, as you can see it's right here. So it gives you a full writing and watering wisdom, research, let there be light, but not too much. So here we have that. So you could see how good it is. So let's give it a use case. As a social media manager, how do you use this? How would this help you? So what you have to do is to describe your idea, and Canva AI will bring it to life. So the first thing I want to do is to use Canva AI to write. So I'm going to open a page that we're going to use Canva AI for as a social media manager. So I have a Facebook page, I have a LinkedIn page for Blood Creative Studio. So I'll be using this studio as a sample of a brand we want to use Canva AI to manage. So let's say we need some writings, and let's say how does Canva help businesses. So let's just try with how does Canva help SMEs. Yes, so we're going to say write a friendly post for business owners. So I'm going to have a prompt like this. Let me see what that would yield for us. Yes, so I'm going to have a prompt like this. So we have how does Canva. Yes, so it's going to be how does Canva help SMEs. So let's have this prompted. So let's see what would be given in return from Canva AI, and here it is. So, hey dear business owners, ever wondered how you can take your brand's visual content to the next level without breaking the bank? I've got great news for you. Canva, the user-friendly design tool, is there to help you do just that. Canva is a game changer for small and medium enterprises. Is like having a graphic designer in your pocket, but without the FT. Yes, so we have this. Yeah, so we have the write-up. So what I do naturally is to save this on a notepad. We are going to develop this idea, of course, so let's save it on a notepad. So I'm going to have my notes. Yes, my notepad will be opened right now, and then I'm going to have this copied. So this is what Canva generated for us. The write-up it's generated for us, which to me is so short and straight to the point. Yes, so we can use Canva AI to write, and that's what I just did. So I have the write-up right here. So in the next lesson, we're going to see how to use Canva AI to do more things as a social media manager. So we just wrote a post with Canva AI. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.